Well, I guess this is the start of the chronicle of our journey using the GoPro. Chris is been working on packing the fridge for, I don't know, 2 hours maybe, and she's pretty much getting everything in there. It's pretty full. The freezer is full.
Finding things in there is going to be an epic adventure every time we do it.
Yeah. We still have lots of stuff to put away, but we're almost there. Most of the things are stashed. There's lots of food in there, in the cupboards. Water's underneath the settings. More food.
Made a mess putting stuff away, washing stuff. And
Got the most important things on the boat.
Now I'm
Guitar and the
getting
ukulele. What's that?
I said I made a big mess getting a lot of this stuff washed up and repackaged and stuff, but I'm just about there.
Just about.
Have to clean up the mess I made.
Got to clean up my nav station. So it's all a bit of a mess, but picked this up today for doing our laundry. It's our agitator. That iPad repeats the chart plotter from up in the helm. That's boat instruments, speed, wind, stuff like that. This is the ship's computer.
Beautiful tomatoes.
We'll be running Coastal Explorer on that in parallel with Simrad. This is our satellite back here. Oh, tomatoes. It's probably going to take us about 3 weeks, so this is probably a week's worth of tomatoes, and after that we'll be on tomatoes that we dehydrated. That should be really good. There's a SSB, ham radio, VHF radio, power system.
Stack a little bit, which I'd rather they didn't.
This will be our sea berth once we get it cleaned out. It's nice to tuck yourself back in there when the boat's flying all over the place. It keeps you nice and tucked in. Very important room. Little shower back here. There's our foul weather gear. This is where we normally sleep when we're at anchor or tied up, our V berth, but it's kind of a mess right now. Here's our cockpit. Chris made these windows. She made all the windows all the way around. But these back here are brand new. So we've never been able to be fully protected from the rain and the elements. I made that table and that grate down there sometimes in a following sea we get some water in here. And it's nice to not have your feet in the water. Plus it raises me up a little bit so I can see above the Dodger. Very important beverage holders. Got our barbecue back there. Dinghy motor. Life sling that we hope we never have to use. Our array of antennas. That's GPS, AIS, AIS VHF, satellite, and that's emergency DSC. Got our aft anchor out there, and the chain goes down into that locker. This is a custom thing I just made that makes this engine control unit waterproof in case we take a wave. It'll keep that protected. Here's the helm. And Chris also put these plastic in this bimini that was with the boat when we bought it. So now we can leave that up, but still have really good visibility. It's raining out here, which is kind of unfortunate because we wanted to leave today, but we're going to wait till tomorrow. but I'll brave the rain. So I added that solar panel. Chris sewed the frame into the Dodger, so we have a 160 watt solar panel up on the Bimini, and then I just replaced some 85 watts that were much bigger with these 100 watters. So we have a bit of solar, maybe not as much as I like. There's our self-steering unit that doesn't use any electricity. So once we get out in the ocean, especially in some nice steady winds, we'll be using that. That's our lifeboat, the big green one. The little one is the gas can for the dinghy motor. There's our dinghy. We're tying it on the front so that we don't have to use precious space inside. Spade anchor. Just gave it a little bit of an update. I replaced the shackles and cleaned the chain, painted new marks on it, painted some of the rust spots on the anchor. It'll last for a little while. So this is the Vallejo Marina, Vallejo Yacht Club Marina. This is where we've been for the last almost 5 years, I guess. And we'll be pulling out tomorrow morning. And that may be the last we see of this marina with Sugar Pine, and we don't know. It's kind of weird to be in a place for a long time and leave. It'll especially come home when we sail out underneath the Golden Gate, because that's always so magnificent, and it would be a shame if we weren't to sail underneath it again. So anyway, that's the first of perhaps many videos that I take with this GoPro. Boat life. Signing off. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Is done?
Done.
Wow. The fridge door is closed. That's
Door is
amazing.
closed. I have to clean up, but mostly it is cleaned up.
Cool. So I guess we can clean up the rest of it. I put in a water filter because we have ultra filtered water, and then I think I am done for the day. And Chris told me that there was one beer that didn't fit in there that I have to drink, so I guess I'm gonna have to drink it. It's tough life, but somebody's got to do it.